If you're part of the hair police, I'm going to suggest you swipe away right now. Yeah, you're not going to like this. Okay, I'm going to break that rule of saying, well, if you're over a certain age, you got to cut your hair off. Well, I did cut my hair off, but because I had so much hair loss and thinning, I had to. I quit coloring, but that doesn't mean that I have to be a certain way because, you know, if you know me, what is my title of my channel is Mel B Ageless. So I really want to encourage women, don't let a number define you. If in your heart or inside here, you still feel young and just in love with life, that maybe you're like me. Maybe you just want to break the rules because who's making the rules anyhow? Who decided that we can't have long hair? Well, I can't grow my hair like my silver hair, salt and pepper hair like this, but do I have dreams of it? Do I wish? Yes, so I don't have to hear my wish came true, okay? So every day I can either be a pixie or I can have shoulder length hair or I can have hair as long as I want to, any day. So, okay, let's get that by. If you're still here, then maybe you really want to hear the truth. And the truth is, women just want to have fun, right? Okay, this wig comes with a motto part. It's got that lace front and lace part on the side. And what I found was key on this, let me get is the instructions come with this wig. It says, get the wig out of the box and hold it upside down. And I'm going to tell you there's a reason why, and run your fingers through it. See this front part here? When you get the wig out of the box, it's very flat and it's just like set there. It's very flat and it just doesn't look the way I think you're going to want it. It wasn't the way I want it. And so they have instructions that come with this. It says, hold it upside down, shake it, but run your fingers through that. Wake those fibers up. It's just coming to you kind of with some cold set and all set down. Okay, now this is the kind of wig, I got this for a purpose. I want to wear caps because it's winter time now and I love to wearing hats and caps. And so this was what I wanted. I wanted to wear a cap, but I wanted this long, natural looking, curly salt and pepper hair. So let's put it on. Flip it back. Grab your ear tabs. Let me find the other one, straighten it up. And this is what I'm talking about. In the beginning, it looks like big, big hair, and it is a lot of hair. So I would find it hard probably for me to maybe walk out the door looking like this. This isn't necessarily, but I'm gonna work with it. We ran our fingers through it just like that. You can cut the lace off. It's got a long lace that can be cut back, shorter. And see why it was really important, because when this wig came, this up here was really flat, and it looked really strange. So this is a very budget friendly, if you click the link below, it is a very budget friendly wig. But for my ladies that want to have that bohemian look and you want to wear a hat, check this out. And so then just put your head on and see, oh, I love this look. So you're all ready. It's winter. Maybe you're going to football games. Maybe you're going to see the lights. Maybe you're going, I don't know, but it's cold outside and you just want to have long hair. And with it cold outside, this is going to keep you warm too, but check that out. I think this is so fun. That you can fool everyone that you have this long salt and pepper hair, naturally wavy and curly, and nobody's going to know that this is not your real hair. I love it. I went out recently and my husband took pictures of me in it, and I'll leave some. I think I just put a short up with me in this wig where my husband took me out taking photographs. So check out the short with this wig. This is Brooklyn. And salt and pepper comes in different colors, but this is just that fun fashion wig that's going to be able to be ageless. Don't let the fashion police spoil your day. Do it anyway.